How to fix verification failed, your Apple ID or password is incorrect. If you are getting the verification failed, your Apple ID or password is incorrect error even when entering the correct credentials, then try these fixes. First of all you have to do is open the Settings app on your mobile device. Once inside the Settings app, tap on the General option available there. Inside General, scroll down till the bottom and tap on the Shutdown option available there. Now, once shut down, turn it back on and try signing in again. After doing so, go back to the General again. Simply tap on the General option available there. Now there, scroll down till the bottom and tap on the Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then simply tap on the Reset. Then tap on the Reset Network Settings. Then reconnect to Wi-Fi and try logging in again. You will be prompted to enter your password in order to reset your network settings. Do so and try logging in to your Apple ID. And if this also does not work, then go back to the settings and tap on the General, then tap on the Software Update option available there and update your iOS to the latest version. An outdated iOS version may cause login issues on your phone. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.